Hi everyone, so this video is about Module 1 and how the checklist, the assignment checklist works with the different modules within D2L. So here we are in D2L, and you can see I'm on the assignment checklist. So if you click on that, if you haven't downloaded it or printed it out, I highly suggest you do that. And as you'll see, here we are on Module 1, Experiences, and it starts January 6th and it goes to January 12th. And so here are your different assignments. Your first thing is to do a reading. You should have that done by the 8th. Then your first primary post is also due on the 8th, and your second is due on the 11th. And then the Getting to Know You survey, it's a Survey Monkey. And then your research topics, and you're going to have a quiz and ExamSoft. In the email that I sent you for Module 1, you should have received the password for that. If you didn't, or if you have any problems accessing that, please let me know as soon as possible. So here we are again on D2L, and I just want to show you how that chunk of stuff that you have to do for the Module 1, if you look here on Module 1, Experiences, you'll see that all of that is here too. So here's your first reading. This is your first reading to do on D2L. Please read it over. And then have your first post under the question post. And here, right here is where you post things. So it's question post, relatable author. And I ask you, what are your takeaways? Do you think it relates, how do you think it relates to your education at NYCC? How or how not? So on and so forth. So be sure to read those. And then right here is your musculoskeletal research project, your 3 topics. So submit the 3 topics of a condition that you would like to research. Again, remember that this is something that we're going to become experts in, so make sure that it's something that you're passionate about and you really care about. And as I said in previous videos, you can pick any topic except for torticollis and Marfan syndrome. And again, those 2 topics are really what I use as I show you how to manipulate and work in the databases and create search strings and do those worksheets and things like that. So those are like my 2 topics. So I ask that you refrain from picking obviously anything to have to do with torticollis or Marfan. And so you go here and you just submit your topics, and I said be sure to have your name in the subject line, and then here's your survey, the Getting to Know You survey. So this is anonymous, but it gets me to kind of know the class and know what your research habits are. So as we go through the trimester, I can talk about different things that might have come out of that survey. So that is really Module 1, Experiences. Pretty easy. Again, if you have any problems accessing any of these things, or if you have any problems going on getting to D2L, if you have any of those issues, if you have any issues getting to your quiz on ExamSoft, please email me ASAP. My email is all over, but again, it's snutting@nycc.edu. All right. Thank you, and I'll talk to you all soon.